Imagine a place where you never have to think about a single thing. No bills, no decisions, no worries, just you, the ocean, and a world built entirely around your comfort. Welcome to the best all-inclusive resorts on Earth. Let's start where dreams live. The Maldives at number 1. Emerald Maldives Resort and Spa, where turquoise water wraps round villas with their very own private pools nearby. Kora Kora Maldives blends overwater bungalows with gourmet dining, while Club Med Honolulu Villas keeps it adults only, complete with your own private pool and personal butler. And for the soul who wants luxury with a conscience, Banyan Tree Vabanfaru, Outrigger Mafushivaru, and the Chentara Machchafushi Island Resort offer a sustainable paradise, free snorkeling, and some of the finest diving in the world. Now, trade the sea for the mountains. Deep in Chilean Patagonia sits Patagonia Camp, luxury tents on the edge of a shimmering lake. Framed by the towers of Torres del Paine, adventure by day, total silence by night, craving your own island. Manta Island Resort, a private escape built around real local experiences. Coco Plum Island Resort, where the beach belongs only to you and Thatch Cay, a quiet sanctuary where the only schedule is the tide. Head to Brazil, and the mood shifts at Villa VIP Hotel Fazenda in Serra Negra. You're riding horses through green mountains, while Salinas Macaya puts you right on the sand, beside a pool with a view that stops your breath. In Argentina, Bolacua Hotel de Campo brings the whole family together. Water parks, tennis, and endless things to do. Then comes Mexico, pure, unapologetic luxury. The legendary Grand Velas resorts line the coast. Los Cabos, with infinity pools that melt into the horizon. Riviera Maya, and Riviera near it, where private pools meet the Caribbean and for adults only. Secrets Maroma Beach is one of the most beautiful shores in all of Cancun. The Caribbean isn't done yet. In the Dominican Republic, Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana serves up exclusive pools and premium everything. In Jamaica, Sandals Royal Plantation gives you an all-suite escape with your own personal butler. And out in Turks and Caicos, Ambergris Cay hands you an entire private island with a personal host to match. Want something different? Fly to Mauritius, where Club Med Albion turns leisure into an art form. Or Egypt, where Xanadu Makati Bay meets the Red Sea, with a private beach and its own water park. And when the snow calls, Baf Hotels Uludağ in Turkey lets you ski right to your door. Then melt into the spa. 23 resorts, 23 ways to escape, overwater villas, private islands, mountain hideaways, and beaches that feel like they were made just for you. So the only question left is this: where do you want to wake up tomorrow? Your perfect escape is waiting. All you have to do is go.